হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, তো চলো আজকে আমরা দেখে নিই কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সের কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো। ফার্স্ট আছে ইউনিয়ন মিনিস্টার অফ এনভায়রনমেন্ট, ফরেস্ট অ্যান্ড ক্লাইমেট চেঞ্জ প্রকাশ যাদবার participated in the 11th session of climate dialogue 2020. Name of the country which hosted this dialogue since 2010. এটার অ্যান্সার 4 নম্বর অপশনটা জার্মানি। Next question. Recently in April 2020, India has extended 150 million foreign currency swap support which among the following country? কোন কান্ট্রিতে? এটার অ্যান্সারটা হবে 5 নম্বর অপশন মালদ্বীপস। Next, the goal has established International Financial Service Centers Authority to regulate all financial service in international financial service countries in the country where the HQ of IFCSA locate. কোথায় এর হেডকোয়ার্টার লোকেশনটা? এটার অ্যান্সারটা হবে 3 নম্বর অপশনটা গান্ধীনগর। Next, name the state which has launched fee reimbursement scheme for student, namely Jagannana Vidya Devana. তো এটার অপশানটা হবে 2 নম্বর অন্ধ্রপ্রদেশ। Which state's government has launched Jeevan Amrit Yojana scheme to boost the immune system of people to fight COVID-19? এটার অ্যান্সারটা হবে 1 নম্বর অপশানে যেটা আছে মধ্যপ্রদেশ। Next, which among the following world first airline which conducts rapid antibody test to its passenger? এটার অপশন অ্যান্সারটা হবে 2 নম্বর অপশনে যেটা আছে এমিরেটস। The Asian Development Bank has approved to provide $346 loan for which state to provide better power connection in rural areas? এটার অপশনটা অ্যান্সারটা হবে 4 নম্বর অপশন মহারাষ্ট্র। What is will be India growth forecast for the calendar year 2020 as per report title Global Micro Outlook 2020-2021 released by Moody? এটার অ্যান্সারটা হবে 3 নম্বর অপশন 0.2%। Credit rating agency CRISIL has reduced India's economic growth rate for FY21 to এটার অ্যান্সারটা হবে 3 নম্বর অপশন 1.8%। Name of the former finance secretary who has been appointed as the chairman of Public Enterprise Selection Board for 3 years? এটা হবে রাজীব কুমার, 5 নম্বর অপশন যেটা আছে। Suresh N. Patel has been appointed as the Vigilance Commissioner in Central Vigilance Commission. He is the former chief of which bank? এটা হবে 1 নম্বর অপশন যেটা আছে অন্ধ্র ব্যাংক। Neeraj Vyas has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank Housing Finance Limited. Where is the headquarter of located? এটা নিউ দিল্লি, অ্যান্সারটা হবে 2 নম্বর অপশনে যেটা আছে সেটা। J. Arun Kumar from Karnataka has been appointed as the head coach from which national cricket team? এটা হবে USA, 4 নম্বর অপশন। External Affairs Minister Jaishankar has attended the BRICS Foreign Minister Summit recently. Who is the current chair of BRICS? 2 নম্বর অপশন রাশিয়া। Name of the Indian state which topped in terms of total instant renewable capacity of FY20 as per CRISIL research report? 3 নম্বর অপশন কর্ণাটকা। Name of the asteroid which will pass through Earth within 3.9 million miles as per NASA? এটা হবে 1 নম্বর অপশন asteroid 1998 or 2। The scientist of which Indian institute has developed an Alzheimer's inhibitor called BARD? এটা হবে 5 নম্বর অপশনটা জওহরলাল নেহরু সেন্টার for advanced scientific research। With which app the My Government has partnered to support the central government efforts against the spread of COVID-19 pandemic? এটা হবে 1 নম্বর VMate। The scientist of which IIT has developed a software which can detect COVID-19 within 5 seconds using X-ray scan of the suspected patient? এটা হয় 4 নম্বর অপশনে যেটা আছে IIT Rocky। CSIR Central Food Technological Research Institute provide protein enriched biscuit to COVID-19 patient. Where is CSIR CFTRI located? এটা হবে 5 নম্বর অপশনটা মাইসোর। Name of the country which will host 2021 Men's World Boxing Championship because of termination of agreement India lost hosting right. এটা হবে 4 নাম্বার অপশন সার্বিয়া। Indian women team has qualified for ODI Women's World Cup 2021. Name of the country which is going to host the tournament. এটা হবে 1 নাম্বার অপশন নিউজিল্যান্ড। Name of the person who has authored the book titled Sayaji Rao Gaekwad 3 Maharaja of Baroda. এটা হবে 1 নাম্বার উমা বালাসুব্রমণ্যম। ইরফান খান হু পাস্ট অ্যাওয়ে রিসেন্টলি, এটা 4 নাম্বার অপশন, আমরা সবাই জানি তিনি একজন অ্যাক্টর ছিলেন, তো অ্যান্সারটা হবে একজন অ্যাক্টর। হোয়েন ওয়াজ ওয়ার্ল্ড ডান্স ডে সেলিব্রেটেড ইন দিস ইয়ার, এটা হবে এপ্রিল 29। দেখে নেব কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স 2 মে 2020। Manipur black rice, Gokhurpur terracotta and Kavilpatti kadai mitai get GI tag. Check how the black rice of Manipur, which rice cultivated in Manipur is characterized by special aroma and terracotta work. Gokhurpur has been guaranteed the indication of GI tag. In India, GI registration administered by Geographical Indication Goods Registration and Protein Act 1999. MOC launched Project Monitoring Unit for early operationalization of coal mines. On April 30, 2020, the Ministry of Coal launched the Project PMU facility early operationalization of coral mines, allocated the government in India ramp up coral production in country. About KPMG India Chairman and CEO Mr. Arun Kumar, KPMG Global Chairman and CEO Bill Thomas. DST launched Year of Awareness on Science and Health Years on Health and Risk Communication focusing COVID-19. April 30, 2020, National Council Science and Technology Communication Department of Science and Technology has initiated a program on health and risk communication focusing COVID-19 titled Year of Awareness Science Health. It's aim to convey authority-based patient to general public to minimize the risks of transmission virus all levels in the absence of vaccine and cure to COVID-19. NBWA permits coal mining in part of Assam Ding Patkai Elephant Reserve. NBWL has permitted the use of 98.59 hectares of land for part of the Dehing Patkai Elephant Reserve in Assam not coal mining project done by Northeastern Coalfield or Coal India Limited. About Assam capital Dispur, Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, Government Jagdish Mukhi. Sania Mirza, first Indian to be nominated for Fed Cup Heart Award. 30 April 2020, Sania Mirza became the first Indian to be nominated for the Fed Cup Heart Award from the Asia zone. About IATF, President David Haggerty headquarters solo London, United Kingdom. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari launches MSME Bank of Ideas Innovation of Research Portal. About Ministry of MSME, headquarters New Delhi, Minister of State Pratap Chandra Sarangi. Shipping Ministry has launched his reconstructed website. The Ministry of Shipping has launched reconstructed website which is based on open resource technology and is developed on the National Informatics Central. About Shipping Minister, Minister of State Mansukh Mandaviya. About এটা হলো ইউনিয়ন মিনিস্টার রবি শঙ্কর প্রসাদ, মিনিস্ট্রি অফ স্টেট সঞ্জয় ধোত্রে। Pune-based Defense Institute developed a microwave sterilizer to kill COVID-19. On May 2020, Defense Ministry announced that the Pune-based Defense Institute Advanced Technology has developed microwave sterilization Atulia that can the novel coronavirus within 30 seconds by heating in the range of 56 degree to 60 degree Celsius temperature. About DRDO headquarters New Delhi, Minister of Defense Sri Rajnath Singh. Chairman Dr. G. Shetty D. Reddy. 35,000-year history of river erosion in Ladakh, Himalaya revealed. About WIAG, it was established June 1968. Objective to undertake, aid, promote, guide and coordinate research geology of the Himalaya forest and traditional. Headquarter Uttarakhand. Director Kalachand Singh. Indian origin girl Vanessa names NASA first Mars helicopter as Ingenuity. A 17-year-old Indian girl Vanessa Rupani has named first helicopter to be built Mars in Ingenuity after she submitted her essay in NASA named the rover competition. About NASA headquarters Washington, United States. Administrator Jim Bridenstine. Australia deposed India to the first time since 2016. The test ranking for men. ICC India split third position. About ICC headquarter Dubai, United Arab. CEO Menu Sauni. Chairman Shashank Manohar. Football legend Padma Shri Award Chuni Goswami passed away. Former Indian football captain Subimal Goswami, commonly known as Chuni Goswami, passed away in the age of 82, Kolkata, West Bengal. He was born on January 15, 1983. Now Bangladesh. About West Bengal capital Kolkata, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, Governor Jagdish Dhankar. A new book, Shivaji South Block, The Unwritten History of the Proud People by Girish Kuber. On 1st May 2020, a new book named Shivaji in South Block, Unwritten History to be Proud People, written by journalist Girish Kuber. Talks about the Maharashtra evolution from the past to the modern times and its contribution to the country, culture, politics, history, society. The book scheduled to be published October by HarperCollins publisher, India. Important day, International Labour Day 2020, May 1.